what's going on, everybody? Sadistic Picker here, and we have a very special Loto Luck Tuesday, and this is what we got. Package from Steve's Lockpicking. Steve Holder, if all y'all don't know him. Look at this. Oh, beautiful little knife. Anywho, we did a little swap a little while back. He had some 410 Lotos that I was trying to get more so I can do Loto Lock Tuesday appropriately. My goal is to try to get one every week for the year. Although now I see if I don't start researching them a little bit better and broadening the perspective on Loto Lucks, we're going to be in a lot of fucking trouble here. So anyway, Steve was nice enough to do a swap with me, and I'm very, very appreciative. What the hell is this? Well, yeah. Oh, how fun it is to pop for Junior Poppets, Pop Stars over 60, on the go, durable, for an active motherfucking mind that never stops ending. You know, these things, what's funny is, thank you, Steve, for this, because my mind is constantly on the go. It's been a battle my whole life. That's why I pick some things up really, really well, or I just toss them aside if I don't find interest in it real quick. But anyway, I carry one of these on my keychain, and it saved me a few times from going nuts in situations or things that I care not to be at or listening to. So, yeah. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate that. That's awesome. What a gift. Guy knows me more than he thought he did. Oh, and he sent a message. Man, nicely wrapped. Each one individually taken care of. Steve, now that you've already done my package, you can see I don't take as much care and love in the locks as I should. Thank you for doing that. I mean, it helps protect the keys so they don't get broke. I, on the other hand, just chuck them in there. Although I only had a couple keyed one out of that lot. I appreciate this so much. On to opening. Without slicing my finger. Oh, they're all boxed. He's got them all boxed up too. Awesome. Oh, no fucking way. Wow. Wow. Steve, I don't know what to say, man. Thank you. That is cool. Definitely don't have one of these in my fucking collection. Cool. That's awesome. Thank you for doing that, Steve. That made my fucking day. That makes my fucking day. That's fucking cool. Look at the bidding on that, too. That's good bidding. That's good bidding for one of these. Awesome. That tickles me to death. Thanks, Steve. I appreciate the hard work on that one. That's cool. Well, let me show everybody. He's made a cutaway out of this 410. How fucking cool is that? Huh? That is awesome. One day you're going to have to make a cutaway, Steve, so we can show people what actually happens when they turn their 410 into a rattler. I think that would be an awesome demonstration. Because a lot of people don't know that these could be easily turned into rattlers. And then some people know them as the rattler lock. All right. Thank you, Steve. I appreciate that. That's fucking cool. That's cool. I gotta stop cussing. All right, on to the next. Wow, this one's different than my, that's fucking awesome. Huh. This has got, I don't know what kind of lock this is. Other than it being a slider, yeah. It's got to have a, that's cool. That's cool. I don't know if you guys can see that up in the core, how them sliders operate, but a little bit different than the slider lock that I got. Way cool, Steve. That's awesome. Thank you very much. That is awesome. That's got me intrigued. How that operates. Huh. Now it's hard to even think about opening this up. I'm just thinking about the operating system on that core. How them pins lift that to get the turn. Or lift, shove, move out of the way. Definitely ones I don't have in my... Wow. I don't have this one either. That is awesome. This is awesome. A metal Loto. Thank you, Steve. I had no idea that these, when he said he had some Loto locks for trade, I was just thinking regular 410 Lotos. Fucking right on. Right on. I'm going to try to pick this one. All right, let's get this last one. Damn, some awesome locks here. These are going to go great in my little collection. I can't thank you enough, Steve. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I commented on this. Or one like this. I don't know if it was this one. That's sweet. Thank you, Steve. This Brady Lockout Loto, I was just amazed that they had them in laminated steel. That's awesome. Thank you, Steve. I think this is a great, great lock to have in a Loto lock collection. Very, very fucking cool. And we will tape this box back up in its little original box. That's fucking cool as hell. I think it's always fun when you get these locks in their original box. Okay, let's move on to this. This one's just got me thinking. I can't stop thinking about that. Let's move on to picking this. And because I don't have my Jimmy Longs at hand, we're going to switch to my traveling picks. I'm honestly, to tell you the truth, I didn't know if I'd be able to do this whole video sitting like this, but we're going to try. This fucking Loto is awesome. Metal Loto. That's crazy. Let's use this pick. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get in there. Oh, I got in there on that one. But did I overset it? I think I did. Oh, no, there's a click and a turn. That was 5. Oh, I'm moving 3 here. It's moving me back, so that must be the spool. There's a good click on 3. 2's moving back. They're giving me some 5 back. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Awesome. Steve. Everybody check out Steve's Lockpicking. His channel is a must. He's got quite far in his time of picking. I really love following his channel. He does some amazing work. Does some amazing work on cutouts too. If you haven't seen his cutouts, go check out Chris Capune's channel for some cutouts that he's done for him. I'll give you links to both of their channels. Anyway, Steve, I can't thank you enough for all these different Lotos. I didn't have not one of these Lotos in my collection, and now I have all 4. That is a grand slam. It's much appreciated, man. And yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, everybody, you know what to do. Hit the like button if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And make sure you got the notification bell cranked up all the way, because you don't want to miss a breathtaking second of this channel. I mean, it's all the rave. You got to check it out. All right.